So this is the temporary dash cam setup. So we have the wiring going underneath the passenger side visors. Right down here along this edge. And then we get to this side where it goes under here. So this thing is actually popping out a little bit. I just like sneaked the cable down there. And then it goes underneath the seal, and then gets to this area where there's actually two covers. So these two covers are actually removable, so you can pop this out right over here, pop that out from the top here, and I'm hiding the wire underneath the glove box. Should have two pieces of tape just holding the wiring together. It should fit snug in there. It shouldn't come out, but I just thought that maybe I'll just put the piece of tape there so it doesn't come out. You can't see it from this angle anyways. So that goes all the way down here, all the way to this area. So the side center console is also removable, but I decided to just sneak the cable underneath here because I didn't want to pop it out, because I might change the wiring setup later, or maybe I don't even need the wiring setup anymore if the software update comes out with dashcam support. Hopefully that's coming out soon. So that goes around underneath here, right here, all the way down to this area, and I have it just looping back up, and that's where it's plugged into the 12-volt battery, I mean the cigarette lighter jack, and now you can still close it pretty easily. So that's how I have it plugged in. Looks clean for now, no wires in the middle, so I like that. But if you have any suggestions, I think I probably wanted to have it a little bit better. Maybe I can still improve it somehow, but that's how I have it right now for the dashcam setup. My dashcam has front and rear cameras, so it has parking mode as well, record both sides. So I don't have an actual wiring going into the back because my rear camera is just over here, just front facing. I think that's good enough. You can still see pretty clearly out on the back because it has a panoramic roof. So yeah, that's how I have it right now. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, subscribe.